Hi, I'm Melody.
And I'm Rod.
From Always Be Vacationing. And today we're going to be... What are we doing today?
We're talking about 3 can't miss items that we've discovered through the years.
Because it's the final countdown to freedom of the seas.
Yeah, awesome.
Hi, welcome back. I'm Melody and Rod, and we are from Always Be Vacationing. And today we're going to be talking about 3 must-not miss items to pack for a cruise. Okay? And guess what? They're behind. The first one's behind me. Do you even know what they are?
Yeah, well, no. Some of it. I've used it.
Yeah, we've used them. This one is On Sling. So it is, it goes around. Let me see if I can turn around. Can you see it?
Yep.
Neat.
Perfect.
So what we love about the On Sling is that it gets caught on my shirt. Just kidding.
Yeah.
What we love about the On Sling is that it's really light. And the way that it's weighted, it makes it very easy for you to have on your back for a whole day. In fact, when we went to, did we use this first?
Was it in San Juan? It might have been.
Might have been San Juan.
Yep.
Anyway, wherever it was so light I didn't even know that I had a backpack on.
Biggest problem is most of the time when you bring in a backpack, it's over both shoulders. You bring way more stuff than you ever need.
Yeah.
And you load it down because you have the room. And then within a couple of hours, you're sweating, your back's sweating, your shoulders hurt. You get back to the boat or you get back to the room and everything hurts and you don't feel like playing on vacation. And so we found something that was a lot smaller that fits what you need. Like It's a perfect size and it goes over one shoulder. If one shoulder gets tired, you throw it over the other shoulder. But it's the perfect size.
Yep. I'm going to put a link in the description below. I did pack it full today, as you can see, so that you can see what we can put in it. Okay, I'm going to open it up. So the next thing that I think is something that you have to pack, don't forget, is a Koozie. Don't laugh. It is for a cold drink.
Yeah. And you're usually in warm places when you're on vacation.
Well, we are.
We go to sun, sand, and beaches, right? Sun, sand, palm trees. Anyways.
Yeah. When you live in the mountains, that's what you do.
Yeah. Got to keep your drink cold.
Anyways, there's a double use for this. And what I found was that when we go to the Bahamas, the first time we went there, my phone fried. And we lost all of our pictures. And so I didn't want to do that ever again. And what I found is that a Koozie will fit your phone and you don't have to buy an extra special neoprene holder for your phone. You can just use something that you might have already in your...
Nice.
Did you know that?
I've never used it like that, but that's good. Good idea.
Great idea.
Good idea.
Great idea. Okay, great. Okay, here's our next one, and you can...
That's going to be like a hat with stuff in it. Rabbits.
Yeah, rabbits.
Yep.
Sarong. I use this one on the plane. I've had this one for a very long time, and it goes with us almost everywhere because you can throw it around as a bathing, as a wrap, or, on your shoulders on the airplane, whatever. But it fits right in our little sling backpack very easily. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
He's going to show you the fun one.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. A DJI Gimbal. This thing is our favorite. So magnetic, it comes with either a sleeve for your phone or you can just put a little magnetic thing in the back of your phone and it holds it. It's awesome. It's got a zoom or a back out. It's got you can direct it with a joystick, with a thumbstick. Snap pictures, go sideways, go landscape or vertical. It's awesome. It's got a little attachment that is a stand. So if you wanted to stick it somewhere and do, I don't know, a time-lapse video or anything like that, you've got that as an option. Hands down, the best gimbal we've used and played with, and it folds up really small, compact, and we love it.
Yeah, we have tested a couple of these. So they were heavy. They are hard to hold because they're huge. I have little hands. And this one, it really does
I have little
break
hands
down.
too, but it doesn't have anything to do with anything but the size of my hands.
Okay. It folds down into a little compact thing. And I like that too.
Yeah.
So that is our tip for packing. Let's see. Is there anything else? We're going to have a couple more than 3. I'm sorry. But I found this one several years ago by accident, and it is RAV Power, and it's a power block. This one's ready and a short 1 foot charger, and it'll actually charge 2 phones. I've looked for it again. You have to go to RAV Power. The link is down in the description below directly. They don't sell them through Amazon anymore, but that's where I did find it. We bought these, and these have been on several trips with us, and
oh, they're insanely
oh my
good.
gosh.
So they last. I mean, we've had ours last while we're charging it actively 3-4 days straight without having to recharge the brick.
Most of them don't do that.
We had 2 of them, and we lost one for like almost a year. And it turned out that one of our kids borrowed it, and it was in a backpack that he hadn't opened in a year. When he opened it up, it still had a charge on it. It had we hadn't touched
three
it in-
lights out of the
yeah.
4. We're still on it after a year.
These things are awesome.
These things are really
Best I've
awesome.
seen.
Best, yeah, hands down, best brick, and we fight over it.
Yeah.
So we have to.
Why are we selling this stuff? We don't get anything for it.
We're
right?
not selling anything on that one, but I love that. Okay, I think that's it. Other than
I'll show you. Melody doesn't use it for this, but when you're on trips, sometimes you find yourself sitting in lines, whether it's Disney World or whether it's waiting for your guides to arrive for your next excursion or whatever it is. You end up sitting a lot, and I'm an avid reader. This front pocket will hold your Kindle perfectly.
Oh, yeah.
And so anyway, so I absolutely love it. I have my entire library in my Kindle, and my Kindle slides right into that sleeve right there. It goes all the way down. It goes everywhere with me, and it doesn't take up any room because it's on the flat outside of the bag. So anyways, I love this thing.
We love the Sling so much that we're going to test out on this trip. We bought actual backpacks from Travelon. I got the one that it looks exactly like the Sling, and he got a different design. So we'll let you know if they're worth even, checking
Looking
out.
at.
Yeah, looking at.
Our issue is we have a drone. We wanted to be able to bring the drone. If we put a drone in here, it takes up a lot of the room.
Yep.
So here we go again. Are we going to go back to a bigger backpack? We wanted something small enough. We love the Travelon brand, so we were like, let's just figure out what they've got that will just carry this plus
a little
the drone.
bit more. Yep,
So,
exactly.
yeah.
So that's great. Now, I wanted to let you know that I am going to put the whole packing list, since we didn't do the additional packing videos that I had initially thought that we should. Well, we made them, and they looked exactly like the first one.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
guys
you don't
wanna
need
see
to
us
see
folding
that.
Close, right?
Yeah, so I'll just put the whole list in the last video, and then also at the bottom of this one, so that you have everything that we packed and can see, exactly the checklist that you need to go on a cruise.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
Thank
Hey,
you.
we're just like 3 days away. Can't wait.
Oh,
And
so excited.
thanks for being here. Thanks for watching.
Yep.
And you guys, obviously, there's subscribe, do all the stuff that everybody always tells you to do. Just do it this time. Make sure you don't miss anything. We'll try and be entertaining. We'll make sure you get lots of good information, lots of content. And the thing is, we travel all the time. We love to get out. We love to see new places. If you're interested in seeing new places, guys, follow us on here. We appreciate you watching.
Yeah. And shortly, I think we might even change the name of the channel.
It's up to you. Cool.
I think we will. Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Do you even know what we're going to talk about today?
Nope.
You're just going to wing it.
Nope. I look good in camera. Look at that smile. That's sexy.
Okay.